Hey there guys, we're doing a 3-person hit draft on Panini Prime. So we got Matt, Colin, and Darren. So we're going to run the list 6 times as per the dice roll. So good luck guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and final time. This will be the draft order. 6. So Colin has first overall pick, Darren second, and Matt third. So you gotta randomize this list 6 times. So Colin first, Darren second, and Matt third. So I'll turn you guys around here. Serial number that we're using. Picked by Darren. So 7014. So everything is on Darren. So good luck guys. Hopefully it's going to be a good hit draft box for you guys. We do have 8 cards, so 8 cards here. So good luck guys. So we have a Craig Anderson base, $2.99. We have ourselves a rookie Prime Colors. The logo version of Tom Wilson, 19/26. Tom Wilson, Prime Colors. And we have ourselves a dual jersey, Duncan Keith, Zdeno Chara at a 200. Dual rookie class jersey of Alex Galchenyuk, 73/100. The Habs. I guess that's everybody in the break. Oh, nice. We have a Prime Trios patch of Tomas Hertl, Matt Nieto, and Nick Petretti. Number 1/10. Nice trios there. And a quad silver of Hampus Lindholm out of 50. 3 colors. Hampus Lindholm. 2-color jersey of Thomas Hickey out of 100. And a base of Ryan Johansson. There we have it guys. So draft picks coming up